how to fix Steam failure disk write error. So if you want to fix your Steam failure disk write error, then what you need to do is to restart your PC. And if you've already done that, then try these steps. In your search bar, you need to type Steam, and instead of just clicking on it, you need to click on Run as Administrator, because sometimes it might not have permissions to write. So we will run this app as an administrator, and this time maybe your error is fixed. Now, the another thing that you can try is to clear download cache. So what you need to do is open up your Steam at first. Now, after opening your Steam, you just need simply go with your Steam, which will be in the top left. And now click on settings. Once you click on settings here, you will have an option of download. You need to click on download, and on the right side, you will have an option of clear cache. You need to just simply go with clear cache and click to confirm. Now, this will clear your Steam cache and you will have to log in again, but your error might be fixed. If this does not work, then you can try verifying the integrity of the game files. So you need to go with the library, which will be in the top left, and open the game that is giving you issues. I'll just simply go with the first one. Now you need to click on settings, which will be in the right side, and then you need to go with manage and click on properties at first. Once you click on properties here on the left side, you will have an option of installed files. Now here on the right side, you will have verify integrity of game files. Just click on verify integrity of game files and your issue might be fixed. And if this does not fix your issue, then you can try something related to your operating system. So that's how you can fix your Steam failure disk write error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.